up, beautiful people? Matz here and welcome back to the channel. But before that, I just want to make a quick apology for not being able to produce more content for you guys. I promised with my previous video that I was actually going to do a review for the Duna Lunas, the IEMs that I had at that time, but unfortunately, due to the camera that I was using at that time, it kept on overheating every 1 or 2 minutes, so it wasn't logical for me to keep on doing the video. It was just impossible to do. So thankfully I actually had a hand-me-down, so I have an iPhone X to use for filming these videos, and I actually have my iPad Pro right here to use as my monitor, and using Filmic Pro as the app that I'm actually using to record all of these, and so far so good, right? And let me know if the quality is actually better on your end. For me, I think it is better compared to the camera I used at that time. So hey, an upgrade is an upgrade, right? So before we get started, I just want to introduce you to the new set. So previously I had the computer set up right there as my background, but since this is going to be dedicated to my audiophile audience, I want it to be more audiophile-ish. But yeah, so these are actually the new speakers that we have at home, and it's my first time having full full tower speakers, so floor standing ones. Before I've always just used bookshelves, and yeah, these are pretty nice. So the video today is just going to be a quick unboxing of the AudioFly IEMs that I got sent by AudioFly down in Australia. And I just want to make a quick shout out for Michelle for giving me a chance to review such an awesome IEM. And AudioFly is actually not a brand that I've known before. I've never heard of their brand, or I might have, but I've never checked any of their products. So yeah, this is a great time, and I've actually, during this recording of the video, actually listened to them quite a bit already, and they've actually been pretty amazing. So a full-length review is going to be done after I've listened to them for at least a month, and that's pretty much the time that AudioFly has given me with these review unit. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing, shall we? All right, let's get into it, shall we? So this package actually came in about 2 days ago, I believe. And these were kindly sent to me from AudioFly in Australia. So I just want to give a quick shout out again to Michelle from AudioFly for actually sending these out for review. And I'm pretty excited to see them. So let's get into the unboxing, shall we? Well, let me get the knife. All right. Once again, I'm pretty bad at knives, so cutting this is going to be quite a hassle. And you may hear it from there. All right, so yep. I can't open this. I have to use the knife again. All right. Oh crap! I might have cut a little too deep. Yeah. Cut a little too deep there, but the packaging looks really nice. So here you can see what the IEMs are. These are the AF1120 Mark IIs, and yeah, the packaging looks really nice. Yeah, I might have cut a little bit too deep there, but yeah. So here we are, and these are part of AudioFly's Pro line of monitors. So yeah, and as you can see there, I actually cut a little too deep. Yeah, pretty bad at knives. So all right, so let's put that out of the way, and let's take a closer look at the box right here. And at the back, you can see that it has most of the details about the product, and you can see what's in it. Actually, we have the measurement in here as well. So we have the sound profile, the connector, driver configurations. As you can see here, it has 6 balance armature drivers, And yeah, so we can all just see the specs right here and what's in the box. So yeah, we can see the set of the AF1120 inner monitors. And this is here, the 2.5 millimeter balanced output jack, and hard case, and a whole set of different tips, which is really nice. And as you can see here, yeah, so you have Deconi, Comply, and Cordura. I've actually never heard of that company before, but yeah, you can see the cut right there, and a little bit of damage up top. All right, but that's all good. So all right, so let's open it up a little bit, and let's see what's inside. Ooh, that's actually pretty nice. That's actually pretty simple, but that case is really, really nice. Yeah, this is really good. Yeah, so here is a little bit of a close-up. Yeah, this case is nice. All right, let's take a look at the case, what's on it. Yeah, this case is really, really nice. Nice and sturdy. Yeah, it reminds me of quite a small Pelican case. Let's see here, unlock it. So yep, we do have the balance cable right here. Let's put that on the side. Then here we see the 1/4-inch jack. And what I see is a cleaning tool and the airport adapter. Yep. So here's a little bit of the side. All right, let's put that on the side right now again. And here's the set of tips. I believe these are the normal rubber tips. And then here's the Deconi bullets. And these have small, medium, and large sizes. I've actually never tried those before. And here are the other foam tips. I believe these are the Comply tips, most likely. And I think this is this is actually a case or a holder for the IEMs. All right, if you don't want to use the case, but yeah, this case is nice. The insides, it's nice and velvety. That's nice. All right, let's put that on the side. All right, now let's take a look at what else is inside the box. So yeah, well, I'm gonna put that on the side for now and look at that later. All right, so here, I believe this is just gonna be the user manual. Yep, it is the user guide and the warranty information. All right, so it's nice and small right there. And just put it on the side. Now, let's take a look at the earphones, and I'm struggling here a little bit. Let's take it from the cables. Yeah, that's way better. All right. Yeah, so they come with the Comply tips, I believe. And yeah, let's take a look at the other side. Yeah. All right. Let's put that there. And let's take a look at the cable. All right, so right now it's the 3.5 millimeter jack that's attached. And yeah, here's a closer look at the IEMs. And I'm actually quite a big fan of these clear, translucent IEM shells. So yeah, I'm a big tech geek, so I like seeing the insides of pretty much technology. This is quite reminiscent of my Shure SE846s, which you can actually take a look at the inside as well. But now here, as you can see, you can take a look at the balanced armature drivers on the inside. And I can tell from the shape that these are going to be a really comfortable fit to my ears. Well, then again, quite a lot of IEMs do, and the cable is actually really nice. It's quite thin and light, and yeah. So again, I'm new to like AudioFly's lineup. Well, I've actually never heard of their products before, or even the name. I might have heard of them before, but I haven't really checked out any of their products. So thanks again to Michelle for sending these out. And yeah, I'll be using these as my daily drivers for quite a bit. So that's it for me. And I hope you guys liked it. And don't forget that there's going to be a lot more coming up. And this is just one of 3 that I'll be reviewing pretty soon once they come in and arrive. And yeah, so don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me. Peace.